What do you have, Ariana?
This is from Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, Anna, okay? Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe gave you this. They love you so much.
Paper! You got paper!
On my love. What is it, Ariana? Beautiful.
What do you have?
Look at the dress.
Oh,
Wow.
let me see it.
The dress?
Oh, Ariana. It's beautiful. Look at you. Ryan, come here, Ryan. You want to pull your
Whoa!
Oh,
Jacket.
is that a jacket? I think it's a shirt. It's a beautiful shirt. Yeah, look at Ryan. Ryan's gonna get all your tissue out.
Oh! It's a dress, another dress.
It's another dress. I'm going to put it on.
No, I can't.
Oh, it's beautiful, Anna.
Oh!
Now, what is that?
That is a blanket.
Hey, look.
It's a coat.
What is that?
It's a coat.
It's a coat. Look at the back. Isn't it so pretty?
That's a killer coat.
So pretty.
Oh, pants.
Let's see. Let's open it up like this and then see. What is this? A dress.
You can put it on.
You want to put it on, don't you?
Pants.
Pants. Pretty pants with hearts on it. Sparkly hearts.
Oh,
Oh, look at this.
a jacket.
This is a dress that matches your jacket. Look how pretty. You want to look how pretty, Anna, it matches.
Oh,
Oh, a dress and pants.
I can see this one. Oh,
Isn't it so pretty? You want to put it on right now?
And you got the paper, Ryan, huh? Yeah.
Oh, that's a sweater for maybe something else that's in there. Let's see. Maybe it goes over a dress. Let's see if there's a dress in there.
Oh, there's a dress.
There's a dress. Look how beautiful. You're going to look so pretty, Ariana. Oh, ladybugs. Look at how pretty. Your sister's going to be the best jacket for Ryan?
Oh, he's gonna look.
Oh,
Like a sharp
he'd be
little guy.
So handsome.
Do you like your presents, Ryan?
Hands for Ryan. Yay. There we go. Yay. Oh. A shirt. A zip up. A zippy.
And Mr. Marlowe?
Thank you, Mrs. Marlowe. I love you, Mrs.